everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the questions from June 2019 and question number is 21, and this question is from real analysis. Basically we have to identify whether the given set is countable or uncountable set. So let's start with the question. Which of following set is uncountable? First is x belongs to real line such that log of x is equal to p by q, where p and q are natural number. So that is, we have to find the real solution of this equation for every p and q. And second one is x belongs to r such that cos of nx plus sin of nx is equal to 1 for some n belongs to natural number. And third one, the set for which this equation has a solution for some p and q. Again, D option is the set for which this equation has a solution for some p and q. Since this question is from section B, question number 21, so question must be a single correct question. So in option second, if we will take n is equal to 2, then this equation is cos square of x plus sin square of x is equal to 1. And we know that this equation holds for every x belongs to real line. So whenever we will take n equal to 2, then this set representing whole real line, hence this must be a uncountable set. So your second option definitely true. Now single correct question, definitely remaining all option must be countable set. So let's start with the first option. So in first option we have to find the number of a solution for this equation for any p by q, where p and q belongs to natural numbers. So for any p and q belonging to natural numbers, so choices for p and q is only countable choices. And by graph, the graph of log x is this one, then p by q is something alpha, then the graph of log x intersect alpha at exactly one point. If alpha may be positive, alpha is always positive, so the graph of log x intersect this curve exactly once. That is, for every p and q, the number of solution for this equation is exactly one solution, and choices for p and q is countable, hence this set must be a countable set. So your first option definitely false option. Now similarly third option, if we will take p and q any natural number, then log of p by q is some fixed number alpha, which is a real number. That is, we have to find the number of solution which is of the equation x is equal to alpha. So this equation has exactly one solution for any p and q. So for every p and q, this equation has one solution, that is number of values of x for which this equation has a solution is the number of choices for p and q, and number of choices for p and q is countable. But we can say that countable union of a countable set is countable, hence this one is also countable set. And similarly, the graph of cos x intersect any value alpha at the most some countable number of points. For example, if we will take p by q is equal to 1 by 2, then the graph of cos x, which is this one, and the line 1 by 2 is this one. So the intersection point of these two equations is only countably infinite. That is, for every p and q, this equation has at the most countable number of solution, and the number of choices of p and q is also countable. Again, countable union of a countable set is countable, hence this set must be a countable. So your B option is true, remaining all are false.